Hey, I'm Sean from ViewSonic, and I'm here to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about our displays. And today's question is, how do I set up dual monitors on my computer? Setting up two monitors is easier than you think. Just keep three things in mind. 1. Make the physical connection. 2. Configure your software. And 3. Check for hardware issues if something goes wrong. So, let's get started. It's straightforward, but the order matters to ensure your computer detects everything correctly. First, plug each monitor's power cord into a working outlet. Then, connect the video cables, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C from each monitor directly to their respective ports on your computer's graphic card or GPU. HDMI looks very similar to DisplayPort. Both are similar in size and shape, but HDMI has two indented corners while DisplayPort has just one. USB-C looks very different from HDMI and DisplayPort. It has a unique oval shape and symmetrical design, making it easier to plug in from any direction. Of course, make sure each cable is also connected to your monitor. Now, turn on monitor 1, then monitor 2, and finally, your computer. This ensures your operating system recognizes both screens from the start. Once everything is turned on, your computer needs to know how to use the new hardware and the extra desktop space. If you're on Windows, the fastest way to get to the setting is to right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings, or just hit the shortcut Windows key and P. First, set your display mode to extend, not duplicate, to maximize your desktop space. Click Identify to see which screen is which, then drag the monitor icons on the screen to match your physical layout. They should appear on the screen in the actual sequence you've set up. If you have high refresh rate monitors, go into Display Settings and confirm each monitor is set to the preferred rate, like 144 Hz. If you are on macOS, go to Apple Menu, System Settings, Display. Then use the Arrange Display option to drag the monitors into the right order. Again, check your refresh rate here to make sure you're getting full performance. Okay, you did all that, but one screen is still black. Don't worry, there's almost always a quick fix. First, double check that your display mode is set to extend. Next, firmly reseat your cables on both the monitor and the computer, as sometimes they're loose. Finally, on the monitor itself, check the OSD menu to make sure that the input source matches the port you're using on your computer. Your display count is determined by your GPU. Make sure you're using your dedicated GPU ports and avoid the integrated graphic ports on your motherboard unless you're indeed using your integrated graphics. High-spec setups like running dual 4K or dual 144 Hz screens can max out your GPU's total bandwidth. If you notice lags or flickering, check your GPU specs and reduce the refresh rate of the second monitor to help your primary screen to run at full speeds. If issues still persist, the problem could be your drivers. Check your GPU manufacturer's website and install the latest graphic drivers. Also, make sure your Windows or macOS are updated to the latest version. Now, your dual monitor setup is ready to go. With the right hardware, correct connections, and a few quick setting adjustments, you can enjoy a more comfortable and productive display experience. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll continue creating videos like this. If you want to read more on this topic, check out our online user guides in the description below.